Magandang araw mga boxing fans at welcome back sa Boxing Bell TV.
Guys that'll come to fight did end up hitting Vasquez. Oh, good straight left as Vasquez goes down. And another straight shot as he gets ready to go down again. And I don't have a feeling this one's not going to be long.
It's the 1-3 and 1. Navarro, he knows now. Down goes Rubalcaba. Depending on, oh my goodness, off of the break. Oh, throwing from way down deep. This guy, he's got Martin outgunned because he just keeps going and throwing. But really digging down on that right hand. And just, I think, gassed at this hard to just withstand that heavy pressure for so long. And again, I think if he keeps eating unanswered.
Huwag magpalin lang sa maamong muka ng Pinoy na ito. Dahil wag ka, hindi pa mang kilala ito ay meron itong pagtsatsaga, pagpupursige at 100% determinasyon na magkampiyon sa ibabaw ng lona. Dahil isa lang naman itong si Josaphat Navarro na buong tapang na dinayo ang labas ng ating bansa upang harapin ang tatlong mga veteranong pambato na kinikilala ng kanilang bansa. Una na sa listahan ang isang Mexicano na sa unang round pa lamang ay pinaluguan na agad ni Kabayan ng malalakas na suntok. Bago matapos ang taong 2025 ay naanyayaan itong ating boksingero sa Mexico upang harapin ang isa nilang pambato na si Antonio Vasquez Marquez. Unang round pa lang detalyado na ang galaw nitong boksingero natin. Mapagmasid muna ito at pag-aaralan ng kalaban sa kababanat na magandang kombinasyon.
Pelon Antonio Vasquez. And they're both exchange some heavy shots. And both guys take shot. But who can take each other's power the best? Both guys look like they're gonna want to commit to it.
Bago matapos ang round 1 ay tinamaan ng isang malakas na kaliwa itong Mexicano upang ito ay bilangan ng referee.
Good straight left. It traveled a long distance, but it did end up hitting Vasquez. Oh, good straight left as Vasquez goes down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You okay? You want to continue? You're good. He takes the 8 count. Referee lets it continue, but he took a good shot. And another straight shot as he gets ready to go down again. And I don't have a feeling this one's not going to be long. As he's taking some hard shots. And referee Eddie Hernandez.
Dahil hilo pa sa magandang patama itong Mexicano, ay dito na inupakan ni Josaphat Navarro ang kalaban upang hihinto ng referee ang laban.
Philippines, el presidente Josaphat Navarro.
Sa pangalawang pagdayo sa Amerika, binalagbag din ito ang isang Amerikano sa harap ng libo-libo nitong mga kababayan. Undefeated American boxer, 2 beses bagsak sa kamuon ng batang Pinoy at nagawa pang basagin ang muka ng kalaban.
It's the 1-3 and 1. Navarro, he knows now. Down goes Rubalcaba. Depending on, oh my goodness, off of the break. Oh, throwing from way down deep. This guy, he's got piston-like shots.
Ito ang latest fight ng ating kababayan mga bossing na si Josaphat Navarro versus Luis Rubalcaba. May kartada si Kabayan na 6 na panalo at sa kanyang pagdayo, 4 na sunod-sunod agad ang kanyang naitalang panalo. Samantalang undefeated sa kartada itong American boxer na si Luis Rubalcaba. 9 wins, 5 naman dito ay galing lahat sa knockout.
Defeated, Luis Diamante has been time a California. No surprise there. He's using the jab as he's recently, and for 3 of his fights down in Mexico, you know, you get a lot of guys that make...
Inumpisahan nga agad ni Kabayan ng magandang patama na talaga epektibo at hindi nakapagbitaw ng suntok masyado ang kalaban.
Really going to need to be his strategy. He has a bit of an unorthodox stance. Wide ends there with his hands up above his...
with the jab, and certainly not backing down. I'll tell you, Rubalcaba, a cool and you know, you are trying to get inside his Navarro, but ate it well.
Many fighters will counter during his attacks with his counter.
Put some punches. Navarro putting punches together here. It's the 1-3-1. Navarro, he knows now. Down goes Rubalcaba. My goodness.
Bago nga matapos ang nalalabi ng unang round ay napabagsak pa ni Kabayan ng kanyang kalaban.
We'll see what Rubalcaba's made of here, Christian.
A huge left hand drops in shock.
Wow, the first round comes to a close.
Kaya pagtunog pa lang ng bell para sa pangalawang round ay sumugod na ito at inupakan ng kalaban.
That overhand left dropping Luis, and now Navarro coming in deep, coming in hot, throwing combinations from every angle.
Navarro out of the Philippines, which has obviously turned out some great fighters. Checking in with Rubalcaba. Some big shots being thrown by both. Nice shot. I think Rubalcaba, as Navarro again gets in position, he's got to find a way to fight at range and establish the jab. But man, oh man, the output, punches and bunches.
Worked out for him so far, but if Rubalcaba's able to survive,
I could blame him after getting that knockdown. Ate a big shot.
to land big there.
Cornered here. Navarro, though, he cornered Rubalcaba. Man, Navarro was throwing just for broke here, partner. He's throwing with right in there with undefeated. He's got to do something to try and steal this round here. Getting picked apart in the final seconds. And I'll tell you, man,
Onslaught from Navarro.
halfway home in this 4-rounder, and boy, oh boy, is it asset. But he's, fireworks from Navarro if he gets the open.
Backing up now a little more, using that length, but quick, so nimble to be able to get in there and penetrate the defense in the distance. And now Navarro attacking again. Rubalcaba up against the ropes. Navarro eats a huge left hand, Todd.
Referee taking a good look at this. Rubalcaba getting teed off on. And I think he blitzes in. Does Navarro have some serious thunder? He's got some great hand speed, too.
There's no fear at all. Cerro Miedo from Navarro as he eats a left there, but he's still coming forward. Punching, be successful here from Luis Rubalcaba. Yeah, again, isolated in the corner, backed in is Rubalcaba. He's going to have to...
Some nice movement by Rubalcaba, and he caught him with a nice hook. But again, just the output of punches favors Navarro, where he has to finish in the final round.
That's right. Oh, nice shot to the body, and now upstairs down. Man, Navarro, Cava, but he's in a fight tonight.
Oh man, that was a nice right hook. And now you see the sense of Rubalcaba seeing his opening. Big lead uppercut by Rubalcaba, he needs really desperately to win this round. He's got under a minute to work here. See if he can do it.
You can kind of see from Navarro a switching of stances. Sometimes he comes in a bit more orthodox. I mean, certainly he's a southpaw, but putting his hands right up to guard, and other times, widening his shoulders almost in a martial arts stance during these attacks. Very interesting fighter.
Yeah, Navarro, listed as an orthodox fighter. He will change stances. He will literally hit you from all angles. And again, now Rubalcaba finds himself in an absolute storm here again from Navarro. Final seconds here in the third of 4 rounds inside the squared circle. I don't think it's in his nature. Do you get on the bicycle? I don't think.
Forward. And now, the pace of this fight is exactly...
Calls for the resuming of action here and eats a nice straight shot again. If you're Rubalcaba, you got to bite that piece and pull the pin out of the grenade.
Yeah, that's exactly right. And you're starting to see that Navarro smells to press, continue Luis Rubalcaba.
Yeah, you can see that Rubalcaba's accidental headbutt, says Ray Corona, clash meeting of the minds there, and you can see, though, as you touched on, partner, Rubalcaba wearing a lot of...
Headbutt, but the veteran referee Ray Corona right on top from that headbutt.
Navarro throwing from way down deep. This guy, he's got piston-like shots.
Down the face and the nose. I think it's coming from the nose of Luis Rubalcaba.
Yeah, mouse under the left eye as well for Rubalcaba.
Keeping that distance, using the jab to push his opponent away, and then following up with combinations. I think he was just stunned from the power of Navarro.
Yeah,
nice. There it is.
Pagsapit ng ika-4 na round ay makikita natin na dito na dumugo ang kaliwang kilay ng undefeated American boxer sa lakas ng patama ng bagito nating kababayan. At bagsak nga ulit sa pangalawang pagkakataon itong si Luis Rubalcaba.
He's got precious time left, though. Rubalcaba's got to keep the pedal to the metal here. Probably his best round thus far, and he had some good moments throughout, but it might be too little too late, depending on... Oh my goodness, off of the break! I don't know.
And that's why they say, Todd, you got to defend
Yes, at all times.
There was no break there. It was simply both fighters voluntarily separating for a moment, and it was a huge knockdown there for Navarro.
That absolutely might have sealed the deal there. And a big knockout late as Rubalcaba took his focus up.
Matapos ang laban ay malinaw na panalo via unanimous decision ang ating kababayan na si Josaphat Navarro.
Winner by unanimous decision. They call him Big Baby, Josaphat Navarro. Can't say enough. Unbridled aggression.
At sa kanyang pangatlong pagdayo ay hindi rin nakaligtas ang isa pang veteranong Amerikano na hindi man lang nitong magawang makasuntok sa ating boksingero. Isang palaban na Pinoy boxer ang nakipagpalitan ng muka sa isang Amerikano. Walang kapagurang stamina ang ipinamalas sa Amerika na kahit isang dayuhan lamang ay animoy naging isang bidas sa palabas. Isa ito sa mainit-init pa na bagong laban ng ating kababayan na si Josaphat Navarro kontra sa American undefeated na si Joshua Torres. Ang bakbakang ito mga bossing ay 6 round lamang, matira matibay at matira ang malakas.
6 rounds of action in the featherweight.
Nakasuot na white gloves at white trunks itong ating kababayan na si Josaphat Navarro. Grabe, inuupakan niya na agad dito ang Amerikanong si Joshua Torres na may suot na black gloves at red trunks.
Yeah, something's good. This is what I talked about. Navarro will stay pressure fighter. That's how he got the victory over Diamante, who was 8-0 going into that. And this is unfamiliar territory, who usually is very aggressive as well.
Navarro's coming out right away. You see him double jumping in. That might have been a knockdown right there. It was close. Referee's taking a good look. Nice little short hook.
Na may suot na black gloves at red trunks.
Yeah, something's good. This is what I talked about. Navarro will stay pressure fighter. That's how he got the victory over Diamante, who was 8-0 going into that. And this is unfamiliar territory, who usually is very aggressive as well.
Navarro's coming out right away. You see him double jumping in. That might have been a knockdown right there. It was close. Referee's taking a good look. Nice little short hook.
Slight swelling, boys, underneath the right eye. Ooh, nice left hand.
By Torres, that one echoed off the walls here at Fox Theater.
Yeah, we'll see if Navarro kind of changes the way that he's...
Navarro originally out of the Philippines, now it's California. There was a nice right hand in there by Justin.
Yeah, Torres caught when Navarro kind of jumps in, he does his work and gets out, and he kept his hands up on the way out that time.
Josaphat Navarro doesn't have a finish. Just has
have that one punch, and then it shoots that left hand, and then we'll take that step back and take a breather and go back in again. Try with the power looping back in. His corner, I believe, Torres' corner is yelling to shoot that left hook to the body.
Final seconds of round one here. Seconds. Left hook there by Torres in round one.
Yeah, we'll see if Torres could start to try and be the one that's doing it. And there you see Torres is trying to do that. Little warning there, because they are kind of getting a little caught in the heads when they're in there exchanging. Torres as well switched to southpaw for a quick second.
That continues to grow, Torres.
And Torres, he throws some big looking shots. He really leaves us if Navarro can exploit that.
Yeah, it's interesting. He stepped in completely, Torres did, with his right hand and flipped to south. It's an okay strategy, but right there you see he tries that left hook again.
Straight left to the body, behind Navarro. Again, the name of the game has been to move forward for Navarro, but now getting walked down a little bit here by Torres.
And that's what Torres does as well when he is on the inside. Another punch off the clinch. That's
got his.
Yeah, I think a hairband just came out of Navarro, or I should say Torres. He see
tight
Torres
corners here.
is trying to be the aggressor now and trying to not let. He's forcing his will. Torres likes to loop those shots. I would like to try and see him kind of go around or inside that guard with an uppercut.
Navarro, it's been Navarro so far bringing the fight to Torres, but Torres doing a good job of trying to sway the tilt here.
Isn't throwing a whole lot.
No, and Navarro's doing to see Torres do because he's swinging wild and got a nice little right hand as he circled back in and flipped to southpaw.
Etong si Josephat Navarro, napakasipag magbato ng suntok sa kanyang kalaban.
That's gonna cost Arts too here. Is Navarro doing a good job of staying patient here, looking for his openings, allowing his feet to create those openings.
That movement by Torres, but he's got to get out and out now. Final seconds of the round here.
Nice left hand to finish right there.
Off and running with round 3 of 6 here.
Really going up.
Kung sa unang round at pangalawang round sumasagot ng suntok itong kalaban, ngayon depensa na lang ang ginagawa nito sa walang tigil na suntok ni Kabayan.
Man, if time
And come back with a counter punch at both of them and comes in and switches the stance.
you were a long-time pitcher in baseball, he needs to throw the high heat across the plate there.
So Navarro could really start to push the pace right, starting to go backwards.
Navarro has been the winning recipe for him in his last couple DMG fights.
He's throwing at the same speed, eventually someone's going to time it. And that's exactly what Navarro's he seems content to get to the inside and just chuck bombs.
Yeah, and you'll see right now he's just that shoulder roll now. I'm not sure if that's the greatest idea against a lefty, as Navarro's got him kind of pinned in the corner right here.
Yeah, more smothering stuff by Josephat Navarro into the game when it comes to his most recent hard to outwork, to help outpoint this guy if he's going to take you into deep water, take you to the distance.
Navarro is doing some tricky stuff on the inside too, with the way he's kind of creating that space and as well as punching up the clinch. And
Out of the Navarro tank.
Yeah, and it is a 6-round fight, so those body shots could end up becoming a factor later on.
Torres as well as see Navarro's using those combinations. Torres is kind of just jumping in with one shot at a time.
To the halfway point in this one. Perhaps a runaway thus far on the cards for Josephat Navarro. We'll see if will that momentum get some going.
A couple good left hooks right there out of Torres.
Threw a couple punches, but he also ate a few, and he got turned around in the corner here. Navarro starting to swarm.
See, and that's a nice, tricky kind of stuff that Navarro does. He's good in the clinch and
Incredible conditioning.
He's line fighting Filipinos.
Here we go, under heavy pressure. It's Torres.
And you can see Torres shaking his head no, but he's not winning any of these rounds. So he is moving slower, and there's a big right hand. But he's still.
Navarro was hurting him there, but he's throwing 1 or 2 in retaliation. That's not going to get it done.
And Torres just could not keep him off him. Every time that Navarro takes that way back in, and
Navarro will just stay right in your face, very pesky.
loading up on the.
Home yet, and he has landed some good power shots throughout the fight, but just getting picked apart and outgunned because he just keeps going and throwing. But really digging down on that right hand was Torres, but now again just an unending barrage of shots by Navarro. And continues to slip away, you gotta believe. Turn this thing around, round 5 of 6 by Josephat Navarro.
Yeah, tore Navarro off him, and that's in part due to Navarro has a really good jab that he's just.
Navarro is strong in there. Try and back him down. He'll power, he'll circle off, throw you around a little bit.
Even maybe that's helping him in there, using his body weight and pushing a bigger guy into
The Muay Thai, that's what they teach you. Want to get up close and
To the corner.
Yes, that was the first warning he kind of really gave to him on it, but because Navarro will continue to do it as long as
it's kind of hard not to push you off when someone's leaning.
and Torres leaning on him. Navarro's using that body weight to the right eye. Navarro's targeting it.
Yeah, it sure is. Navarro is really starting to cook with gas here.
Oh,
The
the
official
referee's
taking a good look at this, guys.
He
This
said
might
headbutt.
bring him from the right eye of
He's just getting pieced
matched up here, boys.
Torres just, I think, gassed at this part to just withstand that heavy pressure for so long. And again, I think if he keeps eating unanswered shots, this thing might end up
Because Navarro's landing loves over the top that well.
his 50th year, and Navarro is the proverbial shark. Says, I think Torres is going to need a bigger ring. Just exercising his will in there, just really, it's hard to bully Torres.
Clinches with him because that's where he sucks a lot of the life out of you.
He is relentless like a gnat, I think Torres is going to have to catch him in a
Hanggang sa final round nagpakita ng tibay, lakas at determinasyon itong ating kababayan si Josephat Navarro.
Navarro in those clinches and getting those arms tied up and forcing him where he wants to go. There,
Something's got to give, and Navarro just.
I think I missed it.
This has been the name of the game for Navarro. Pressure, take him and
Throw it, and then he steps back and fires right on clinch. The counter that you're looking for earlier, that step back counter.
Yeah, I'm telling you, man. Torres leaves himself rocking and reeling a little bit here. Torres, man.
And now Navarro as well is still learning on the job. He's best coming forward like he is right now, but he is getting better at stepping back and aim. But he is getting better and
Absolutely exhausted at this point. Nice combination there by Torres, getting some going late. But he's got to throw for wide open mouth. He was absolutely starched.
shots. Navarro just ties him up and pushes him in the corner. And, so it's what Drew does, and Usyk has it helps when you're a smaller guy going against from being bullied around.
Yeah, when you're on the defensive pretty much the whole time, it's just gonna sap.
Matapos nga ang laban ay mauuwi ito sa desisyon. Kita naman kung sino ang lamang na lamang at kung matatalo pa dito ang ating pambato ay ewan ko na lang.
Your winner by unanimous decision, Josephat Navarro.
Buti na lang at hindi niluto ang laban at panalo ang ating magiting na kababayan. Kaya ano pang inaantay mo, bossing? Subscribe na kung ganitong laban ang mga gusto mong panoorin. Ano ang masasabi ninyo mga bossing sa ating boksingero na kahit baguhan pa lamang sa boxing ay nagpapakilala na ito at balang araw ay isa ito sa ating magiging pambato ng Pilipinas? Kung isa ka sa mga nagkagusto sa ating tampok ngayon ay malaya kang kalembangin ng kampana upang makasama kita sa panonood ng mga laban ng ating mga Pinoy boxer.